Here I'm going to present to you this system for school finance management system, version Emma the Computer Guide Innovations version 3.0. So this system is made in Excel and VBA. So it is majorly for doing income and expenditures in your schools, fees collections, and at the same time it helps you in managing your payroll for your staff. So how do we start? You must deal with when you have this program. When you open it, what comes in? You log in first of all with the login details which I have given if at all you feel like you want it. Now, what we do, just click on open menu in the open menu user form. Then when you open there, what comes in is like here what you see. We have three modules here. One for the expenditures reports, we have physical collection reports, and we have payroll management and the reports under it, whereby everything comes under here, this part for school fees, whereby school fees is much of the incomes which you're going to be using to do other kind of things, because when you get salary you must have fees first. To get to buy other expenses you must have fees first. That means this module for fees collection is much important. So how do we start? First of all, we have this option here for those who say that our school is setting a fees structure whereby the fees is constant, we don't change anything. But when it is like you're saying you are giving fees to a certain individual, whereby I may be Emma, I come to a school and I'm paying something like 300 and the other guy is paying something like 600, whereby you're saying you are assigning his school fees to a child individually, then here you don't need to set the fees structure. But when you are saying that I want to set my fees structure in my school, which is uniform and constant, then that is fine. What you do, you first come and click on set up fees structure. So when you come and set up fees structure, these names you're seeing here, it is for primary level at the moment. I'm just showing you using using a primary demo. But so when it is secondary, it's just a matter of changing from baby one to senior one. So what do? We have the term fees, we have the boarding, we have the term fees, we have boarding fees, we have these added fees, depending how your school sets up those extra fees. Computer fees, extra fee, admission, development fee, exam fee, transport fee, ID fee, health fee, uniform. These things are changeable, not saying they are constant. At the moment, how we are seeing them here, they are changeable. So here it's just a matter of adding the money you feel like you want, like that way. The money will be added. You don't need to keep saving, because the system I made it in the way that it saves automatically. So you are saved from all that thing. Even when power goes off, you are okay. Then just click implement back a user interface. So when you come here on user form, click like this. When you click here on user form, it brings you this form here, whereby this form will be helping you in capturing those students' information. What do we do first? When you, for example, we have these names here of the learners which we have entered in our demo, but let us use a new one. For example, I'll come and put in the student ID, like that one, just mine. Then the student name, let me use demo 3. Then when you have set the school fees to be auto, it means when you just click here like this, I say yes, I choose a class, maybe baby class, because it's one which you have set the school fees. You can even see immediately the school fees will be captured. Okay, okay. Then when I say female like that, then I come here and I say, you know what? The parent details here is called Emma 2. Then the residence, Kira. Then I come here, I say contacts 0787416804, like this. Then I choose the section here, the boarding, maybe like that. But when this guy is called double 3, that's the person I have put in here. What I do, since I have selected that the fees should be auto, now the system has brought them automatically according to what I have set there in the fees structure. But when you say that it is not auto, that means here you are going to put in fees individually. You get that point? So when you are there, you can see the expected fees of this guy, of this class, maybe class, because you have said from the other side, that means it has picked from the other side and brought it here. And when I say that it is auto, it brings it like this. If it is no, that means I'm going to set the expected fees of that person. So what do I do now? I'm going to say paid now. If at all this guy haven't paid anything, what I can do, I can just say calculate. Before I add this person, I say calculate. Click on calculate. When you click on calculate, it gives you just a simple invoice like this. You see, it gives you the date, receipt number, amount paid, but it's up since this guy is not yet paid, but this is what is expected this person to pay. After that one, you just come and say add this person in the system. The person will be added immediately. But remember, he has not paid anything. Now he has come to pay. I'll just put here demo 3. You can see demo 3. Then I say details like this. Now the person will be displayed. Now this person has come to pay at this time. Instead of pay 600, this guy has paid something like 500. School fees 500. Now boarding, okay, something of that sort. Now admission, this person has paid something like has paid something like 220k. Then here transport has paid something like 110k, like that. The uniform has paid something like 70k, like this. So after this amount is being done like this, you can see cumulative paid here, nothing is paid, it is 0, 0, 0, 0. But the balance really is the exact amount this person is supposed to pay. What do I do next? I come and say calculate. Now the system calculates immediately and it gives me the estimated paid and then the balance. As you can see, this person has paid this and this is the balance. Have you seen that? Then from there, the invoice receipt will be put here. But it's up to me to put the receipt number which I want to give this person. I may select this and I say, because has paid this, I say also 300, the receipt number, like that. Then has he paid through cash or bank? I'm saying the cash. Now cash. If it is like that one, then I come back, I say here, update. That means the record of that person will be updated. Okay. So when I come back here, I look for that guy called demo 3 is here. I say details. Now you can see the balance we have for this person at the moment. The balance is 100. You can see that. Paid equal this, but that is the balance now. And here it reads like that. So what do we do next? That part is done. When we come back here and we say fees statement, click on this button. Then you will see demo 3, baby class, this term, this date, this is the receipt number, and this is the total expected, and this is the amount paid, this is the balance. And even here, the fees statement, it will give you the unpaid balance for the general student in the system. You can see this. You can see the general balance you are demanding. You can export this into a PDF. You can read all data. You can print the receipt statement, and even you can read the data. That's as fine as that. Then you say back to menu user interface. Then we have this one for per class fees details. You see this per class fees details? When you click on it, here it gives per class fees details. You can see baby in this way. P2 you can see. P3, P4 you can see. It brings in that format like that. Now you can see the fees amount paid like that. Now here comment, it brings nil balance. So long as that person pays and there is you when he pays, you get to put a comment just said on the user form. Now these comments will be coming like that. But when you don't put, it will not come. So here you can even restore, you can export in PDF, you can do everything you want. Now you come back main menu. You click on this fees collection summary. Now this one, it will be summarizing the fees collection. First of all, here it will be showing term fees, boarding fee, as how you have set from your system like that. And then the areas for the previous term, especially when you promote, and then those guys we are demanding them. That means it will come as area for the next term. That's what you have seen here as areas. Expected fees, collected fees, then the balance, and the areas will be seen here. Then total expected, total amount paid, total balance due, student credit teri mwana akubanja. Then payment summary per class, as you can see, baby class, total expected, total amount paid, total balance. Class wise, then it gives you the total balance, the total amount here down here like that. Okay. Now here it will be showing you how that one was calculated. You can export as PDF and then you continue with that. Then here we have got what we call fees data sheet, like this. What's the data sheet? Here it shows you the enrollment number. In baby class you have 2, middle you have 0, here 0, 0, then P2 you have 3. A total number, then it will be showing you here you have total number of 9. Then male and female to be showing you here how many male, how many female, like that. Then here it shows you the names of those people you have. For example, this one was active. It will be showing you everything this guy has been paying. Are we together? Then from there, you can just say, you can clear, or you can say back to main interface. Then here it shows you fees data sheet. We have seen that one. I'm sorry. Then here we have got what we call view demand note. View demand note, here you can demand, this is the receipt you can give those guys whom you are demanding. For example, you're putting the name of that person, then the name will come immediately. This is the demo 3 which I've just put. Expected, paid, and unpaid. Fees items, expected, paid, and unpaid. You can see clean and like that. Dear parent guardian, this is to remind you that your son and daughter, this demo 3, has not cleared the fees dues as shown below. Admission number like that one, receipt number, class, and that like that. Now remember the date here is what you put, is what will be displayed. Now I've got on the 7th. Now this is the date which you're expecting that demand note to be paid, as how you can see here. Then you can print and then give a receipt down, PDF, and like that. Then you have here the view receipts for those guys who have paid so far. Somebody when he pays, just give him a receipt, just put the number, the receipt will be coming immediately. A paper will be having 3 receipts. A paper will be having 3 receipts. That's why you can see, you can put your numbers as like in that one, then it prints 3 receipts for 3 people, like that. Then back, you can print the receipt, and comes like that one. Then you have fees, class, item summary. This way, that's how it will be. Then if here I come and choose family fees, then I choose which class. I say baby class. Then I say generate the list. Baby class, you can see all what we have. Then when I back to menu, you can put contacts for the parents. For example, this demo 3, this is the name of the name of the parent is staying this side, and this is the phone number, which is okay. Then the other one is you can record a record of student who left like this. They will be stored here just automatically. You don't need to keep recording. Then here you can say save current term record. That means when the term is finished, now you're saying you have closed this term, you are done with balancing everything, then you can save that record. When you come next term, that means that data for this term will be now considered as new data for that exact term. But when you save before the term closes, now you'll be confusing yourself. The thing is just as normal as how you do your work, because you can't close a book when you haven't balanced that term. Okay, fine. Then here it is like change class at a go. This is like promotion. You have finished one class, you want to promote now, like this term is starting in the next month to come. That means you have saved the other previous year, you are promoting now. The other class remaining vacant. P6 goes to P7, but now P7 will be backed up somewhere, like how you have showed the asset of backing up. Okay, that's fine. Now, when we come here on payroll, first of all, what we do, we have payroll user form like this. Now, what we do here, we just put in the name of the staff. Let me say the staff is a demo 9 like this. Title, this person is called Mr. Account number, I can put like this if I told that person has. Then the date I may not put. This person has advance paid in the month. If he has, you can just put advance paid. Let me say Mitwalo Mukaga if he has that advance. Then income, how much do you pay this person? Mitwalo Chinana. It tells these are like rent 300, which is paid for this person. 300 as a rent. 300 as a rent. Then transport, we don't give transport. Areas, we don't manage this person. So are you deducting in NSSF? Yes. Are you deducting pay as you earn? Yes. Advances, this LST, no, this is for cases A. Saving schemes, now let us make our calculations. That means the amount, this is the gross pay which you're paying this person. Okay, but this amount was not put there. If you just add like this, then it will become an advance here like that. So when I calculate like this, it means advance will be put like here, and you can see everything. So when I say this is the gross pay, net pay, you can see everything like here. Then this money will be deducted somewhere on this to get this. So I say add this.